everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at Caspa, seeing what's going on. We're going to double check a couple things here. This coin is doing very well, holding that 0.382 fib level, that 12.1 cent range we talked about being an important retracement area. So again, congrats to our community members who got in right here. Awesome stuff. Hopefully you were able to secure some profits because you never truly know. At this point though, we're kind of within the clouds, so there's a few reasons why it may or may not progress higher, but still looking much better than most coins right now. So welcome aboard if you're new to the channel. CryptoCache.tag is the site if you want to become a better trader. Got a lot of new traders coming over and be happy to help you out there. Just make sure you read through our signals guide, interact with our community, and be sure to watch my Trading University videos there before you take any signals that I send. Okay, now future reference when it comes to Caspa, a lot of liquidation just above the price action, but also a decent amount below, right? We talked about 10 cents being a potential reality in the distant future if we lose that support. Haven't lost it yet, all good. There's a higher concentration at that specific area right here at about 13.4. Now, previously, as we talked, I know I got a lot of folks got in here at about 11.5, got that upper level of liquidity sweep. It was so perfect. These are really good trades here coming through with this coin. It's doing very well sweeping those areas of liquidity, specifically more so to the upside. And again, there's a lot of reasons for that. This coin has tons of strength. You look at the volume, there's a lot of volume flowing into this coin. So those are things we just want to kind of look at and pay attention to. Okay, wait, really quick here. Before we go any further, do me a favor, folks. Like the video, comment below. Deeply appreciate that. Help grow the channel. Really helps get this in front of more people. So absolutely do your part there. Hit the like button every time you watch a video of mine. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so daily time frame. We're above the 200-day SMA, below the 50, below the 100. We're kind of squeezed in between this little area here. A lot of times when you get compressed between moving averages, the price will break out in either direction. Okay, so again, good thing is we're above the 200-day SMA. That's the important thing. It's right there at that 0.382 fib level. Again, 12.1 is that point of support. We can also see we're over 50 on the RSI, money flow index above price action. Extremely important. This tells us we have more money flowing into the coin and it's not considered to be overbought yet. So it does imply the price will continue to stay here and go higher. It's very much a strong reality, okay? So again, when you see that happen, strong potential. Keep in mind we are up to the top here with stochastic RSI, but MACD is still converging. A lot of reasons why the price action is more likely to go up than down. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame. We can recognize a very similar scenario here. We're above all moving averages, ascending positive with that 20-day SMA over the 200, and effectively in really decent shape here. Even though MACD is diverging and stochastic swinging down, that's mainly because of this ugly candle here with Bitcoin recently, selling off about 5% in 1 hour. That was ridiculous. What was it? $1.5 billion sold in like 12 minutes. It was just completely nonsense. Of course, this happens every few days, so you kind of get used to it, but generally speaking, that's what happened, and that caused the price to pull back. All the more reason why you want to be very careful and secure profits when you can, and use low leverage and low position size. That's what we do as a community, and it helps a lot. I can tell you folks, it's absolutely imperative. Either way, we're over 50 on the RSI, money flow index still above the price action. Extremely important here. Okay, so again, we're in really good shape here on both time frames. Let's see what the hourly tells us here. I'm really curious about the cloud. I know we looked at this earlier, we are within the cloud, generally not the best conditions to jump into a trade, but the truth is here, lagging span's getting close to being free and clear, and the conversion line and the baseline are intersecting. So we've got one reason to close your position in profit, one reason not to take a short, one reason not to take a long. So again, it's not a perfect situation here. Generally, when these things happen, I like to wait for confirmation. So I'm going to be looking for an entry somewhere in the range of, about 12.6. And I know it seems crazy, right? People are always wondering, why do you wait for confirmation when the price is going to go to that level anyways? The truth is it isn't. We don't know that. But once we get there, that gives us confirming factors letting us know that the bulls have controlled the last 12, 24 hours, whatever. Understanding that, getting into a trade, it's going to increase your odds of success versus just kind of hoping it gets there between now and then. Hope doesn't really belong in trading, folks. I got news for you. It's not a thing. Okay, you can hope and pray all you want, but truth is the market movers are going to take the price and move it wherever they want. Good news is we got some incentive here at the upper levels of liquidity at 13.5, so there's a strong chance that we will see this upper level swept eventually. It may not be right away, but hopefully soon. So me personally, I'd much rather wait for the price to get here, consolidate at support, and then consider a long entry from there, knowing that we got there, instead of this lower low, lower high pattern. Okay, so again, we're in pretty decent shape, but we just truly haven't broken this descending trend yet. And in all reality, that would be a good starting point for us to be able to take a trade with confidence. All right, folks, there you have it. That's what we got. Hope you learned something today. Comment below if you have. Make sure you check out BitUnix, Phenomenal Exchange, link down below for these guys. They are phenomenal. Excellent rewards. Use my link to register, folks. These guys are awesome. No KYC or VPN required. I have a large list of no KYC, VPN required exchanges down below with extremely good benefits. Be sure to check that out. I hope you all have a great rest of the day. Thanks again so much for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.